Crazy, I love you so. How late? Baby, you make me go crazy, I love you so. Darling, you make me know how life can be wonderful.
You brought me confidence, everything I needed you to be strong and face life as a real woman would do. So I did grow up, and the little girl I was become uninhibited and didn't care about her flaws. And you used to joke, you always teasing me, but it is cold soft love, and I would always answer quickly, babe. I liked your style and we had so much fun, jumping on the clouds on our dates. Felt my heartbeat in my veins. You were intimidating, but I would shit you in a way we stopped in faith. We were on the same page, get it on so well that how love could have the gates to overcome any obstacle. Our story was logical, and when we were together, not a thing was audible. The season passed by, we would not pay attention to the rest of the world, and between us, no tension. Baby, you make me go. Baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so. Crazy, I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. Life can be wonderful. Baby, you make me go. Baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so. Crazy, I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. But you were doing nothing, stuck in your bed just playing, while I was doing so much stuff I didn't think I could fit in a day. How days became gray, and bit by bit we started losing that magic thing we had back then. Ding ding dong, whenever I sing songs, you were not supporting me the way you should, so I kept on telling you I miss you, and would you want to go out with me? I introduced you to my new friends, but you didn't want to. Kept on saying you had no money, but you did nothing to earn some. How do you want us to carry on like this? No routine is possible. No, I really meant the way I felt. I know you did too. This broke our hearts into pieces, but now we're healed, I guess. Baby, you make me go. Baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so. Crazy, I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. Life can be wonderful. Baby, you make me go. Baby, you make me go crazy. I love you so. Crazy, I love you, darling. You make me know how life can be wonderful. Wasted too much of my time. What's your dad thing? I want you to be mine. Get away from me. It's been days just stuck in my head, and I want you gone now. Wanna hit you so bad, put on my strength in my face, then knock you out. And when you're lying down, I'ma be about to spit in your face, but look how my eyes still. Do I look like I suffer? Do I look like a pigeon watching you strucker? Never guess what, sucker. I go through this and will come out being tougher. Take a deep breath, cause it's gonna hurt. Never meant to harm you, but it was at first. And as the devil told me you would be cursed, if you have a bad laugh already, well it would be worse that. What happens when you do something wrong? You reap what you sow, let's but sing it along. I could've this all the night until down. Lecturing you is not so bad at all. You taught me a lot and I won't waste it all. Fortunately there's my mate alcohol trying to help me the best way he can. You can see clearer after some wrong. Can you only realize what you lost, jerk? Do you see that bounty over there, mercs? I brought the two of you in the dirt. Doesn't even have confidence, make her twerk, and does not even have a brain. Come on, look at me and say my name. Look like she been knocked down by a train. I'd wish never make that mistake again. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with at home, getting my ducks in a row. When you don't have to be mine, when you find out that without you I glow. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with at home, getting my ducks in a row. When you don't have to be mine, when you find out that without you I glow. Wasn't mad at you in the first place, always try to keep the poker face. that hidden stuff, it was okay. I was the only one that you craved. Didn't think it was possible to have any less respect for you. Wanted to punch your testicle. When I heard that twice, you've gone too far. You inspired most of my songs, but I swear to God, this is the last one. I will end it. You won't be existing to me in my heart. You'll be dead in a coffin. Get it? One day you come to me begging. Can I talk to you for a minute? But you won't even have a second. You see my shoe, can you lick it? See that oil, let's spill it. All over your body, that's my spirit. And I'm gonna just watch a bit. Until it's done, I will just it. Laying in bed, busy writing a song. Smashing your head on the ground with no sound. Too low and on violence, I am not bound. Sooner than you think I'll be wearing the crown. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with at home, getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have to be mine when you find out that without you act low. Trying to get fine, it ain't easy, oh. Actions out of line, and the old thing blow. And while you're with at home, getting my ducks in a row. And you don't have to be mine when you find out that without you act low.
Et le pont qui est cassé.